Warm wishes of Diwali to all my viewers. Namaste. Welcome to All About Lifestyle. As Diwali is 3-4 days away from us, so I am here again with a new video covering decoration of entrance of foyer area. As you have seen, the entrance area occupied only by shoe shelf and 3 paintings. So, let's begin with placing a welcoming painting on top of the shelf, and this painting is my own creation. These 2 golden mats are of perfect size to get fit on the shelf, and also placed a DIY candle there. Placed these 2 planters also to add some greenery. Diwali means decorating with diya and urli, so painted this earthen urli filled with water. Now adding some marigold flowers to it. By adding some floating candles, it is completely giving a festive look. As I have some place left on the other side of the shelf, so thought of keeping a big flower vase with some artificial flowers. By using these cable clips, I am going to hang a pair of Lakshmi and Ganesh Ji hanging bought from Kerala. And yeah, I fixed the nails so that I can remove it easily later. See, they are looking beautiful. This is a hanging lamp, so to give a twist I thought to keep a candle inside the lamp rather than hanging it. I've placed a metal Ganesha restricted with a very narrow space. I thought of going with a very basic and movable rangoli. So I've made this rangoli on a wooden plank which was lying around my balcony. My rangoli is completed with some diya and flowers. So this is my entry area for festive season. Hope you have enjoyed the video and got some decoration ideas too. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Have a safe Diwali.